How to see purchase history on Temu. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily find your purchase history on Temu app. Let's just jump right in. The very first thing you have to do is open up the application, or if you don't have the app, you can continue with your web browser. Once you open up the app, just make sure that you are logged into your account. So to make sure that you're logged in, you can head over to the U section at the bottom. There are different tabs. All you have to do is tap on the U icon at the bottom. From here, you'll land on your profile page. So all you need to do now is go ahead and tap on your orders, which will view all of your previous orders that you've made from this account. So there are different types on the order section as well. So under all orders, there will be everything, including your processing orders, the orders that has been shipped, then the orders that have been delivered, as well as the products that you have returned. You will be able to see it under all of your orders. But if you're not able to find a particular order, you can tap on the self-service to find your order. And then from here, you could enter your phone number, or if you have the order ID, you could do that and find your order. What you can also do is simply go ahead and tap on the customer support at the top right if you are not able to see a certain kind of history that you're looking for. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically see your order history on Temu. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.